Hi, I'm Will Russin, Principal Optical Engineer here at Opticos, and I'd like to talk briefly about our new alignment turning capabilities, which enable us to build high-precision lens assemblies at scale for our customers. Here we have the InnoLight IL300 alignment turning machine. It's a 3-axis diamond turning lathe with onboard lens metrology. The machine can be used as a traditional diamond turning lathe for the manufacture of metal mirrors, precision lens barrels, and alignment artifacts, all of which can be non-rotationally symmetric. Using the onboard lens metrology, the machine can also alignment turn lenses in cells. The result is lenses in cells with centration and wedge of just a few microns. Alignment turning has been around since the 1960s, but isn't commonly found in many optical engineering labs. This new addition to our manufacturing capabilities enables us to design and quickly produce precision optical systems from telescopes to custom microscope objectives right here in our facility. For this particular lens assembly, we first cut the critical interior and exterior surfaces of the lens barrel. Next, lens cells are alignment turned to remove wedge and decentration, set precision air gaps, and create a drop-in tolerance fit to the lens barrel. Finally, the lens cells are stacked in the barrel in our ISO 6 clean room. Using alignment turning, we are able to achieve lens-to-lens centration of just a few microns without the need for active centering. This manufacturing process drastically reduces assembly time for high-performance imaging systems and allows for looser tolerances on individual components compared to traditional lens centering. Alignment turning enables Opticos to design, build, and test higher-performing lenses at scale for less. Thanks for watching. And if you want to learn more about alignment turning and manufacturing at Opticos, visit opticos.com.